Hello! In this video tutorial I'll show you how to make this beautiful cord. It's so easy to make. I use cotton yarn 50 gram 200 meters and crochet hook 1.75. Let's start. Start from the chain form. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over. Make 4 double crochet into the 4th loop from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. The very first loop we just made. This is 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. We made 4 double crochet shawl into the very first loop. Now make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the same loop we were just working on. Ready. Now turn our work, make 3 chain to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, yarn over and insert the hook under the 3 chain of previous row and make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ready. Now chain 3, slip stitch into the same space under the same arch, slip stitch. Ready. Turn our work and continue exactly the same way we were just working. Chain 3, 4 double crochet under the 3 chain space of previous row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3, 2, 3, slip stitch into the same space. Move double crochet and you will have lots of space to make slip stitch. Again, turn and continue till needed length. That's how it looks like from the face size and from the wrong side. They're all the same. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.